Okay guys, today we're going to be making coq au vin. It is a French dish and yeah, it's pretty good. So I have my rooster here. If you've seen any of my other videos, this rooster was who we called Mini, and he was kind of getting expensive because I don't know if you see this leg, but that is huge. This leg alone weighs like a pound and a half, or at least a pound. So we're gonna add all of his parts in here: the thigh, the leg, the breast. Oh, these thighs are huge. I mean, look at that. I'm not removing the bone. I'll do that when we eat it. So then we're gonna add some thyme. I have a rubber band tied with thyme and cilantro. It's like Italian and French stuff. And then we're gonna add 3 cups of wine. This is a homebrew wine. You're gonna be cooking it so kids can have it. It's not alcoholic after you cook it. So 3 cups of wine, which is this whole bottle. It may seem like a lot of wine, but it's gonna marinate in this. And this bunch is to get a really good flavoring going. And rooster is usually really tough, so this really softens it, I heard. So we're gonna let that marinate in there, and we're gonna be cooking it. So let this marinate for about 2 hours overnight if you want. Pretty much any really long and extended period of time. So let me show you what it looks inside. It pretty much covers all the chicken. This thing's giving it some nice flavor. Yeah. Just let this marinate for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
So guys, it's been 2 hours, and we are going to sizzle up the chicken. Actually, no, let's start with our veggies, and bacon. So you're going to put some 2 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 of onion and 2 tablespoons of butter, and you're gonna stir that around on a pan for high, and it'll be on high for maybe 1 minute, right before it's about to get crispy. So we'll see you when we're there. Okay guys, so our onions are sizzling pretty good for like 45 seconds. Now we're gonna add bacon, and the bacon also has some of those 2 tablespoons. I do like 1 tablespoon of butter in the onions and 1 tablespoon of butter in the bacon. So we're gonna put that in there and just let this sizzle for about 2 minutes and just get all good. And then add some garlic. You can add garlic powder or minced garlic. Do about 1 tablespoon of garlic, whether it's the whole pieces or powder. Okay guys, so we're gonna put our bacon and onions and garlic in another pan. And we're gonna leave this on a low simmer. And now we're going to toast up our chicken. So that will be on that stove. And now we're going to get our chickaronis. And let me just get boom, top. So now I'm going to take my chicken pieces. Actually, no. Put that on medium, which I've just done. Add oil, just enough to cover the pan. Then we're going to take the chicken, shake that up. We're going to take the chicken pieces and put them in there. Whoa! And you're going to crisp them so they're nice and crispy. And yeah, these need to get nice and juicy and crispy. I'm going to do a few pieces. I'm going to start with the thighs and the leg and the breast. And then we'll go into the wings. And then, yeah. Just let this get a nice and juicy crisp on it. Oh, that is so big. It's just insane how big these chunkies are. But yeah, I'm gonna let these get a nice good sizzle on them. So see you in the next guys. So it's been like, I don't know, 2 minutes, and we have a decent crisp on our chicken. Well, chicken. Your chicken should have a crisp too. After like 2 or 3 minutes, then you flip it over, get a small crisp on the other side, and then tell you what we do next. Add some salt on top of our chicken, a very little amount. Then we're maybe like a quarter teaspoon. Then we're gonna add a tiny bit of salt in our veggies and bacon. You can put them on medium now to hold them to get hot again for when you put them in the chicken soon. And put a tiny bit more oil in them so they can get more of a sizzle. And yeah, see you next scene. Also turn your pan up to high heat. That's why mine's sizzling, because you want to get that nice sizzle. Okay, my chicken's seared on both sides now. I'm going to take a bigger pan. Let me just get that real quick. Okay, got it. Now, I'm going to take my chicken off the stove, off the heat. I'm going to turn this pan down to medium low, or if you have a number scale, 4. Now I'm going to add my chicken into this wok or pot. It needs to be about a gallon. Not that you're going to fill the entire thing up, but you could just use that size. Okay, and so once you put your chicken in there, you're going to take this thyme bundle out, and you're going to put this in and take the rubber band off, because you don't want a rubber band melting in your food. Now you're going to add the marinade and the wine. Nice and quiet now. And don't worry, this will boil and simmer off the alcohol. You'll be fine. Now you're going to add your vegetables all over the top. And you're going to let this simmer for about an hour or so. Got a lid, I'm going to put it on, and let this simmer for an hour. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you're also going to add 2 tablespoons of flour into here to get it a little more thick. If you're gluten-free, any gluten-free thickeners will work. Just look up what's equivalent to 2 tablespoons of flour, whatever thickener you're using. You can even use gluten-free flour, so I wanted to make sure you do that. And make sure you stir it up. So yeah, that'll just help it get a nice thickening. So, yeah. Okay guys, so it's been exactly 58 minutes, and my chicken is looking amazing. The red wine is not red anymore, but it has an amazing smell. I didn't need to do any chicken stock because this was a really fatty chicken as well. So if you want to add chicken stock to make it taste more chickeny, that's really good. Now I'm just going to let this simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes and let the sauce kind of condense a little, and then we'll see you when we serve. Okay guys, so our chicken's done. It looks amazing. We got the bacon bits in there, the onion, and now, I'm going to drizzle the sauce on it. It's pretty thick. You can make it thicker, but let me give it a taste. It's not as thick as the other roosters I've had. Really good. I hope you guys follow along with this recipe and make your own. It's a really great dish. It may sound scary. The name, the French name, it's coq au vin, but it's super good.